Hello guys, and welcome back to Timbers Flooring. Here we have a Victorian house and the customer wants it that grey colour you can see there as a colour splash, so the whole room will be covered in that grey colour. Skirting boards, ceiling, walls, and this customer wants a black finished floor. Here's the samples. She said she wanted to see browns as well, but she was pretty adamant she wanted black right from the start. Did enjoy doing this one. It's nice to do something a bit different. I like it when customers are bold with their choices. So the black stain was applied, and then 2 coats of Loba Speed finish went on after. What a great finish this is. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you for the next one.